In this video, we are going to review how to use the pop-up function in your BotX XSR. Here we have a previously created program, and I would like to add a pop-up in between Weld 1 and Weld 2. On the left side menu, under Basic, I will select Pop-up, and you can see that a yellow node has appeared. I can now create a message for the operator, and in this one, it will say Flip Part. So it now reads pop-up, flip part. Let's go ahead and play the program. You can see that on the pendant, a message has appeared with the message that I typed in, flip part. And you can also see that the robot arm has stopped. Now when I hit continue, the program will continue into Weld Node 2. And that is how you use the pop-up function on your BotX XSR.